The core conflicts between crypto and banks. 1. Control of money versus decentralization. Banks operate in a centralized system. Governments issue currency. Central banks control interest rates. Commercial banks manage deposits and lending. Crypto flips this model. No central authority. Anyone can transact globally. Monetary policy is coded, not governed. This threatens the traditional gatekeeping role banks have held for centuries. 2. Yield, the biggest flashpoint. Banks offer low interest because they must follow strict safety rules. Crypto offers higher yields through staking, DeFi lending, liquidity pools, token incentives. This creates a direct competitive threat. When people chase higher returns, money flows out of banks and into crypto, weakening banks' core business model. 3. Regulation versus innovation. Banks are heavily regulated. Capital requirements, audits, consumer protection, anti-money laundering rules. Crypto platforms often operate with far fewer constraints. Banks argue this is unfair and risky. Crypto argues regulation slows innovation and protects incumbents. This creates a philosophical and political battle. 4. Banking functions without being a bank. Crypto platforms increasingly offer loans, interest accounts, trading, custody, payments. These are bank-like services, but without the same oversight. Banks see this as shadow banking. Crypto sees it as financial freedom. 5. Competition for customers and relevance. Banks fear losing deposits, losing payment volume, losing young customers, losing relevance in a digital-first world. Crypto threatens to replace SWIFT, remittances, savings accounts, investment products. This isn't just a financial conflict, it's existential. 6. Trust versus transparency. Banks rely on institutional trust. Crypto relies on open source code, public blockchains, cryptographic verification. Each side claims the other is less trustworthy. Banks point to crypto hacks and collapses. Crypto points to bank bailouts and hidden risks. 7. Philosophical clash. Banks equals stability, regulation, hierarchy. Crypto equals autonomy, openness, permissionless access. This is a cultural conflict as much as a financial one.